Hey, beautiful, 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 beautiful. Exhale. Love your imperfections, every anger. Tomorrow comes and goes before you know. So I just had to let you know. The way that function look on you, amazing. But nothing can compare to when it's working. Now an equal sign and keyword got you started. Saying where the cell address go in parentheses. Started when we learned formulas, cell address instead of the number. Sorry about the equal sign, guess that we just know it's a starter. Make sure when you're done you press enter. Beautiful, beautiful cell right now. Beautiful, beautiful Excel right now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, beautiful, 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 beautiful. Exhale. Love your imperfections, every anger. Tomorrow comes and goes before you know. So I just had to let you know.
Oh my God, where did the time go? I wish the hours would go slow. How is it 6 a.m.? Your touch is heaven sent. Beautiful, beautiful sight right now. Beautiful, beautiful life right now. Got the angels saying ooh ah right now, like ooh ah.
I'm starting. You can't do that. Okay, hold on. Ah! An A. I was like, okay. Function look.